your next championship of which subject? Yes, it's of English and it is on the 5th November. Okay, now it's not on 1st, it is on 5th of November, right? So prepare it very nicely. Okay, as you all know that English is very important because you are studying in English medium school and your all subjects are in English. That's why it is very important to learn to speak and to write in the proper way English. The limit of my language being the limit of my world. A famous quote by a great philosopher, Ludwig Wittgenstein, that means language shapes the boundaries of our thought and experiences. Language is our major means of communication. It is how we share our thought with others and to convey someone's sentiments, emotions or attitude. English is one such language in the world that satisfies all the purpose. Good morning to one and all present over here. I, Geeta Kanyal, member of English Club, is here to talk about the English language. English is the most widely spoken language globally, making it a bridge language that connects people from different cultures. The importance of studying English language cannot be overstated. In today's interconnected world, fluency in English has become a vital tool for personal and professional growth. Furthermore, studying English language and literature provide a solid foundation for developing critical thinking, analytical and problem-solving skills. Therefore, investing in English language studies is a wise decision for anyone looking to enhance their prospects for success in an increasingly globalized society. We can say that investing in English language skill is essential for unlocking global opportunities. So, being such an important language that try to improve the English skill, before you start, remember that learning English is not just about memorizing the grammar rules. It's about understanding the grammar rules, about understanding the basic concept of language. You need to build a strong foundation of basic concepts such as part of speech, sentence, structure, verb, tenses. Once you understand these, you can move on to more challenging part of mastering English, such as punctuation and style of speaking. So, to improve your English skills, focus on understanding the basic concept instead of just memorizing rules. So, let's get started one step ahead to improve our listening, speaking and writing skills with English Championship, which is going to be held on the 5th November. So at last I want to say that I want to conclude with that take English as a language, not a subject, as a tool for communication rather than a formal academic subject. Thank you and have a nice day.